And hello everyone, welcome to a new episode on my channel. So as you can see, my car is totally broken. Actually it was broken. Now I think everything is fixed, but my baby, my Rocco, disappointed me. So what happened? First, my DPF filter was totally clogged up, and because of that, when I add a little bit more gas at night, I was driving a little bit more crazy. It makes some weird pressure which goes back in my turbine, stuff like that. I don't know really the name, and broke it totally. So the case of turbine was totally cracked. Also a lot of parts inside. So that was first thing, which I was waiting for, I think 12 days, something like that. It's not new one because it's too expensive. The new one is, I think, over $1,500. So I did a reparation on old one. After that, my DPF was still totally clogged up, and I removed it totally. And at first everything was okay, but when you remove DPF filter, you need to disable DPF filter by this car tuning system, stuff like that. So another 150 euros, I think. So my Scirocco is back after 7-8 days, something like that. It's finally done. Cost of repair is around 600 euros. They did reparation on turbo, change oil, filters and everything. So now it's like a new car. It's amazing now. So I'm going now to my electric, so he will connect Diagnostic and delete DPF, because I removed DPF filter from this car, and now it's a beast. So let's go do that. And they disabled everything because it was a lot of smoke, because car was thinking that DPF is on the place, but there is no DPF in my car, and it starts this regeneration, and always there was a lot of smoke, so I need to disable DPF totally. So after that, when everything was really connected to my car, I paid to them to disable also air gear, and now I have beautiful and clean diesel motor. So actually I have like checklist all problems with diesel cars, motors, especially sports/racing cars. So I disabled everything, remove everything. Now it's really a beast, and for now you have everything with a lot of smoke clips inside. I'm hoping that you are enjoying this content. Sorry that I wasn't here for a lot of time, but I spent a lot of time in repairing my car, and actually I started my own company for furniture production, and there's a lot of work there, so I will try to add more videos possible. So till next time, see you.